Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a email submission backlink. So the website name is grabcad.com and you guys will create your profile on that website. If you guys are facing any problems while creating profile, so I can attach, I have already created a video for the profile creation on that website, and if you guys can face problem, then I can gonna to attach the video link in the pin section, in the description section. Okay, so now we can start. So before that we can do quick review on that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 78 and the domain authority is 72, spam score is 0%, and this website having 3.6 million monthly visitors and the mostly traffic from USA, India and Turkey. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So we have completed our research process, so now we can start. So you can see, once you guys can create your profile, then you guys can go with a library section, and after that you can see there is a upload button. You can click over there and you guys have to download any picture. So I'm gonna to download picture for this, and let me check which picture we can upload it. This one. Then you guys have to select file, and in the model name section there you guys can add your blog title. In the description section you guys can add a short description. So I can going to copy from the conclusion the end thought. In the tag section you guys can add a related tag to your blog and your business. Recruitment strategy, retail recruitment. And in the video URL section you guys, we can try to add our blog URL, and after that there is a category section. You guys can choose your category. So tech tools, computer, and after that you guys can click for the publish model, and you can see this is your landing page URL, and I can show you in an incognito tab. So it's instant approved backlink or not. So you can see this is an image which appearing, and this is a description. And another thing, um, which URL we have added, so we can do some modification. So there you guys can add, sorry, edit model. Yeah, let me add again my blogs. You guys will only able to add your video URL, okay, and we can try to add hyperlink on the description section. So let me check. Yes, and there you guys will add blog URL. Our blog URL is added, but there is some issue. It's not converting into a text. So we can directly we can add our blog URL over the description section. And we can remove it. So if you guys wanting to add your blog URL, so you guys can add simply in the description section, and after that you can click for the save, and you can again click for the done button, and you can see this is your image submission landing page URL, and there is a backlink. I can show you this is do follow or no follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% no follow backlink, but the thing is we have created image submission backlink on that website GrabCAD. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.